Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Agent Lee, and I want to show you as to when should we sell, if at all, for Bitcoin. One of the easiest methods I have been introducing is called a stick method. We draw trend lines. This is about 45 degrees. And as price rises, the ascent angle of the stick, the trend line, rises along with it as well. And then we have this one right here going to maybe this, getting closer and closer to the 90-degree angle. And we have this trend line, which price had been bouncing off of since early November. So where is the top? When do I sell? Should I buy more? The simplest way in visual form is to say, stay long if you're already long until this trend line breaks to the downside. That is the simplest way to put it. And until then, trend remains to the upside. When you get a break of this trend line, that is an alert saying there is a high probable change of trend from up to down occurring, thereby setting stops below this trend line could be ideal from a trading perspective. If the price did cross to the downside, breach decisively, you'll get stopped out. But did you get the exact top? No, that is not the point. The point is to follow the trend. By following these ascent angles, had it broken, let's say, here, you would have exited there, similarly to these. But we know that price had been bouncing off of these. So the key thing to look for in this case would be to ask, if the price does come close to it, will there be a break? Maybe it could bounce right up again. So there's no guessing work. Nothing happens from an exit strategy perspective until this trend line is decisively broken, let's say by 2-3% below it. That would be a good stop point, trailing stop point to follow this trend line as well. I hope you find this to be helpful. Last but not least, I'd like to share with you that there is a first time ever Black Friday sale going on. Annual gold and silver memberships are 20% off using this coupon as shown. This promotion ends on November 30th. At Hedging.com, we are a growing community of traders, analysts, and investors. Join us. We trade every day, holidays, evenings. I rarely sleep. Have a good day.